Hello students, let's see question number 2 of exercise 2.1. It is given arrange the following in descending order. So here we are given three fractions 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and 8.21. We are to write in descending order. First of all, for that we will make the denominator same, and for that first of all we will find out LCM of the denominator. It is 9, 3 and 21. So let's find out. So here denominators are 9, 3 and 21. So LCM will be, all these numbers are divisible by 3. So write here 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Now still it is divisible by 3, 1, 1 and 7 is not divisible. So we will keep it same. Now we will divide it by 7. So we have got LCM here. It is a product of these three numbers, 3 into 3 into 7. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. Now we will make all these denominators equal to 63. For that we will multiply 2 by 9 by 7. So it will be 2 7s are 14, 9 7s are 63. And now 2 by 3. We will multiply here 2 by 3 with 21, because when we will multiply 3 with 21 we will get equal to 63. So here numerator also and denominator also we will multiply by 21. So 2 21s are 42 upon 63 and 8 upon 21 we will multiply here with 3. So we are to check that the denominator given, we will multiply it by which number so that we can get equal to 63. So we have to find out that first, and then we will multiply numerator also and denominator also by that same number. So here 8 upon 21 we will multiply it with 3 so that we can get 24 upon 63. All fractions have same denominator. We have got 14 upon 63, 42 upon 63 and 24 upon 63. Now for descending order we will check that which fraction has the greatest numerator, because denominator is same for all. So greatest numerator here is 42 upon 63. So it means 42 upon 63 it is greater. Next is 24 upon 63 and it is greater than from 14 upon 63. So it means what will be our answer? 42 upon 63, it is equivalent to 2 by 3. That means 2 by 3 is greater than 8 upon 21 and it is greater than 2 upon 9. So in this way we will write these fraction in descending order. First of all we will convert all the fractions to equivalent fractions with the denominator 63, that is equal to the LCM. And then because all the denominator are same, we will check the numerators only. So first of all we will write the greatest numerator, then smaller, then smaller. So here first we will get 42 upon 63, it is greater than 24 upon 63, it is greater than 14 upon 63. Then we will write the original fractions that are given. So it is 2 upon 3 greater than 8 upon 21 and greater than 2 upon 9. I hope you have understood first part. Now let's see second part. It is given 1 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 7 upon 10. So first of all we will find out the LCM of the denominators. So here is denominators are 5, 7 and 10. We will find the LCM. So it will be equal to 2 into 5 into 7, that is equal to 70. Now we will make all these fractions equivalent to a fraction with the denominator 70. For that we will think that by which number 5 should be multiplied to get 70, that is 14. So same as we will multiply numerator also by 14. So we will get 14 upon 70. Now 3 upon 7. So here if we multiply 7 by 10 we will get equal to 70. Same as we will multiply numerator also by 10. So it will be 30 upon 70. Now 7 upon 10. We will multiply here 10 by 7 to get 70. and so that we will multiply numerator also by 7. So we'll get 49 upon 70. Now we'll find out that out of these fractions, which fraction has the greatest numerator. So it is 49 upon 70, and it is greater than 30 upon 70, and 30 upon 70 is greater than 14 upon 70. So hence our answer will be 49 upon 70. It is equivalent to 7 by 10, greater than 3 upon 7, and it is greater than 1 upon 5. So for descending order, first of all write greatest number, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. Okay, so this is the solution of question number